for certified investment banking course. I have learned about capital markets, business like equities, derivatives, bonds, debentures, and banking and financial system as well. Apart from this, I have learned the chapters about fund accounting, where they also taught us like NAV calculation, NAV errors, reconciliation, front office, back office, and also about their operational work. In financial modeling, I also learned about the ratio analysis option and IPO pricing model. The teachers here, I think they have provided me a very vast education about the investment banking. So I think that I can recommend this course to other students as well who are looking for me to make their career in investment banking or fund accounting domain. They can join here. Thank